Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and this is what fall on Bolivar Peninsula looks like. Uh, it's been spectacular. I noticed the other morning I've been going down from this is actually last week one day. I've been going down shooting some sunrise photos that have been spectacular. Little cloud banks off to the east, which adds some depth and some feel to it, but I noticed more people have been walking, and it's the cool mornings. The windows have been down in the truck. I've been shooting it in that cool coastal breeze. Nothing better than fall here on the upper Texas coast. And look at that beach. Clean, wide open, feel the sand between your toes. And yes, the watercolor changes every now and then, but it's that time of year to get out. Maybe the kids are off at school and it's time for you to get away, you to come down and enjoy a walk on the beach, feel the sand between your toes, look for some shark's teeth, maybe pick up some shells, enjoy a fresh seafood dinner or a hand-cut steak at one of our family-owned restaurants. But look at that beach. You can't beat that beach here on the other upper Texas coast, and the area is full of fun. Texas history at Fort Travis, pictures at the lighthouse. We've got the Anahuac Wildlife Refuge. We've got High Island and the Rookery is going to start up pretty soon. It's that time of year, it's fall, and before you know it, we'll get those cold mornings in or cooler mornings, but it always warms up during the day. And so I had a chance to swing by and talk to Mike because I know they've been doing some shows, getting new product in, and ask him, I've noticed some of the stores in Houston are starting to change over to that fall, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. When are y'all going to start changing over and get your fall stuff in? And they've already started. In fact, they've already got some great stuff in for the Christmas season. Let's check in with Mike and see exactly what they have and what they have coming in. Listen in.
Good morning, Bolivar Peninsula and Crystal Beach and all of our friends through Bolivar Live. Dave, thanks for dropping in today. We were talking a little bit about fall and what's coming in from fall right now, and we have a lot of stuff coming in. So on the men's side, I have a massive amount of Hook and some of our other key brands, Free Fly and else, Burlebo, a lot of new stuff coming in. On the women's side, we're Mud Pie and Simply Southern. We've got new dresses, we've got leggings from Simply Southern and some others. We've got all kinds of fall stuff coming in and winter stuff coming in. We're even starting to get set up for Christmas. So I mean, we've got some sequins, we've got a lot of t-shirts. We've got, as you can see, a lot of sweaters up here. We've got some new jeans coming in, some denim that we've got in right here. Just a lot of stuff. We're starting to bring our fall jackets out. It's kind of hard to think about that right now because it's 80 degrees outside, but there will be a time this year you'll be coming in looking for a jacket, and we've got them here. They're already out on our floor. But think about, this is a great time, ladies, for planning a friend's trip to the beach, a ladies' trip to the beach to go shopping. We've got several little boutiques out on the Crystal Beach now. So plan a weekend, come down, plan for your family, come down. We've got you covered down here, but we love fall in Crystal Beach, so look forward to seeing you guys. Thanks for dropping in on us today, and have a great day.
Well, as you can see, they've got a great start on fall and even into winter. And so if you come down and you're looking for that maybe weekend getaway dress or outfit, stop by and see their boutique. They've actually got a lot of women's clothes, and it's not all surf related. Bella's done a great job of picking out brands and styles that fit our living style and your living style here or at home. They've also getting, like you can see, some of the Christmas stuff out, and I know they've got shows coming up, product coming in almost daily. And so even if you're down here one weekend and you come back 2 weeks later or pass through 2 weeks later, make sure you swing into Latitude 29 Surf Shop. They're a big part of Team Bolivar, have been, and looking forward to working with them some more. But when it all comes down to it, it's the beach you're here to enjoy, and we've got 27 miles of beachfront that you can walk on, camp on, park on, sit and enjoy time here with family and friends this fall on the upper Texas coast. We never shut down. Yes, the weather may turn bad for a day, but that's a great time to play some dominoes at the house. Maybe put a puzzle together or get out and explore the shops, stores, boutiques, restaurants, and more here on Bolivar Peninsula. Well, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. We're going to check in with Mike next week and see exactly what he has for some of the guys. Until next time, for more information on Bolivar Peninsula or to see it live anytime, make sure you check out BolivarPeninsulaTexas.com. You can get your beach fix through our live webcams. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us, God bless, and come explore Bolivar Peninsula and enjoy your beach in the fall of 2025. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.